In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your money on PayPal. Whether you're new to PayPal or you just want to double check where your funds are, I'll walk you through a simple way to see exactly how much money you have and how it's spread across different currencies. First, go ahead and log into your PayPal account using your usual details. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is the home screen of your account, and it gives you a quick overview of your balance and recent activity. Right near the top, you should immediately see your available funds displayed in your primary currency. For most people, this might be dollars, euros, or another local currency, depending on where your account is registered. This main number is a snapshot of what you can currently spend or transfer. Now, if you only ever use one currency, that main balance might be all you need to look at. But if you receive payments from different countries or shop on international websites, you might have money in more than one currency. To get a clearer breakdown, look for the option called Manage Money, just under your main balance area. Click on Manage Money. This opens up more detailed options related to your PayPal balance. From the menu that appears, select View Money page. This will take you to a dedicated page that focuses specifically on your funds rather than your recent transactions or other account settings. Give it a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. On this money page, you'll now see your funds broken down by each specific currency you hold. For example, you might see separate balances for dollars, euros, pounds, or any other currencies you've used on PayPal. This is really helpful if you get paid in one currency but usually spend in another. Next to your non-primary currency balances, PayPal will also show you the current conversion rate to your main currency. This means you can quickly estimate how much that foreign currency is worth in your primary one without doing the math yourself. Keep in mind that conversion rates can change over time, so the amounts may vary slightly from day to day. That's all you need to check your money on PayPal. Log in, look at your main dashboard for your primary balance, then use the Manage Money button and the View Money page option to see a full, detailed breakdown of every currency you hold and how it converts.